welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button and also the bell notification. I know you guys see that we are almost at 4K. I think we only need like 30 more subscribers, so make sure you guys get your auntie, uncles, or anybody that you guys think that my videos will be helpful for. Let them know and make them subscribe to my channel so we can reach 4K. Thank you for everyone that has been subscribing and have been watching my videos. You guys rock. But after we do reach 4K, I will be doing another lip gloss base giveaway, because I did see you guys like the first one that I did. You guys went crazy over that, so I will be doing another one. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys are notified when that giveaway do go up. Now, before I even get into the video, I don't want anyone to have comments. Even if you do, this hair and my lashes are from Bro Collections. It will be in my description bar down below, and you could either go on my website or go on my Instagram if you guys want a custom unit made, or if you guys just want to purchase my lashes. Now, I'm 99% sure these lashes are called Material Girl. Yeah, I think it's called Material Girl if you guys want to check it out on my website and was looking for this type of lashes. So now, actually, one more thing. If you guys don't know and you guys are new here, my AC is on. It's pretty loud, so if that's bothering you, I'm sorry. I can't really do much about it because I'm not trying to be hot while I'm like recording and stuff like that. So now that's out the way. Now back to the reason why you guys click this video. Now, this isn't any like formal video or whatever. I have been getting a good amount of DMs and stuff about my business cards, or my what do you call them, your thank you card, and like the business card. I've been getting like DMs either through people, my subscribers on YouTube, or just my customers that just happen to like my packaging and stuff like that, and they're like, oh, how did I do my thing, or the person that I went to get it done. I don't know why it took me so long to say it, but basically just my overall thank you letter and my business cards. So I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick before so you guys can have a look on how they look like. Now, the first one is my business card. It's my business card. It's pretty simple. It's not like all that serious, and this is how it looks in the back. I know there's kind of like a glare, but this is my business card. It just has all my information in it and stuff. Make sure, if you guys do have a business card, make sure that all the things on there are pretty accurate. So, but yeah, it's like a pretty sleek black card. The front is like, I don't know, glossy, and in the back it's matte. And then here is my thank you cards. This is how it looks like. Let's see if it wants to focus here. I know the glare is in the way, I'm sorry you guys, but it's pretty simple as well. There's nothing in the back. The back is literally blank, but you honestly don't need the back for it. So that's how it looked like. And like I said, a handful, because let me not say a lot, because bitch acting like it's like hundreds of people, but a good amount have asked me about it. So I decided, instead of just doing it individually, why don't I just come on here and make a video, so if anybody did have like questions and just didn't want to ask, you guys are informed now and you guys are able to do it yourself. Now, one thing I am gonna say, both the business cards and the thank you cards, I personally did it myself. Yeah, like I know yes, I did it by myself. Not to say that they look like they're like the best of the best. To me, honestly, when I look at them, they look a little bit homemade to me, but they look a little homemade a little bit, but a lot of people seem to like it. So I mean, I mess with them and stuff like that, but basically obviously a lot of people are like new entrepreneurs and stuff like that. This is a good way for you to just brand yourself, because it's all about branding your business, and you know, making it look presentable to your customers and people that are actually looking at your page and stuff like that. So I feel like it's very important for you to have a business card. And the thank you card is kind of iffy. You don't necessarily like, oh my god, when you're starting off you need one, but I mean, I would recommend it, because again, it's part of branding. So yeah, now the reason why you clicked it, yes, most of these were, I think both of these together were under, I think they were under I think they really were under 40 bucks, either 40 bucks or $35. Like when I tell you guys, it was mad cheap. And obviously you guys can see where I got it from. I got everything made from, damn, you guys can't focus. I got everything made from Vistaprint. Now I know a lot of people already know about Vistaprint, and if you don't know about Vistaprint and you own a business, like, what are you doing? You need to get on Vistaprint. Now Vistaprint is a place where a lot of business people, or like, it doesn't even necessarily have to be a business, it's just a place for you to basically brand your business. They literally have everything there. You can make shirts, you can make hats, you can make hats, you can make mugs, I've seen pins, like notebooks, and of course you can do thank you cards, and you can do your business cards on there as well, which is so like cool. And their prices are like unbeatable. I haven't seen a website that is close to compare the price that they do, and the fact that their prices is cheap, but also they have sales all the time. Now granted, I haven't been on like Vistaprint for a while, so I don't know if they still have the same sales that they did back a few months ago when I did start my business and I did use Vistaprint. So you might just want to check that out yourself, but I'm pretty sure they are still the same and everything. So, but I'm pretty sure everything would have been more, but since I used the codes and stuff like that, it was only like 35 to 40. Okay, let me not say 40, 35 to $50, which is still mad cheap, because literally I think my cards, my business cards, I think I ordered 500. Yeah, I think I ordered 500 for my business cards, and literally I haven't opened a box yet, and one of them still has a few left. And when I tell you guys, I be putting at least 2 business cards in my packaging, and like also I be handing it out and stuff to people. So mind you, I still have a good handful left in this one, and I still have a big one left, and I've been in business for a year, so that's a really good price. And then also for my thank you cards, I think I ordered about 150 or 250 of them, and I think that was those. I think the business cards was more than the thank you cards, honestly, or vice versa, not really sure. But when you guys go on the website, literally everything is very self-explanatory. You don't have to do any like guessing and stuff like that on it. Now onto the design. Now when it comes to design, like I said, I did do these by myself. Literally the logo, I just went on a logo maker. I'm gonna put the one that I used down below for you guys if you guys were interested. But the logo, I literally did it myself after I did it. But before, it was just a plain red logo that said Rogue, and I wanted it to have the little, you know, sparkly background like you guys see right here, the little sparkly thing inside of it. And literally all I did was I went on the app Fiverr, which I have mentioned before. If you're a business owner, you should know about this app. I literally went on there, I went for a logo maker, and I just picked a person, and I literally just told them I already have a logo, all I need is to add some effects in it. And that was mad cheap. I think that was like around $5. It was $5, and I think I had to pay $2 like handling or whatever, tax fees, basically $2. So everything in total was like $7. So my logo was literally free. If I didn't want the little extra stuff in it, it would have been free. But if you do want a little extra stuff, use Fiverr. Everything is legit free. And now for the background, I used on Vistaprint, because Vistaprint, you literally pick the outline you want, which is a business card. You would go on a business card, and you can do 2 sides, or you could do 1 side. Literally they have endless options for you guys. So I literally uploaded my oh shit, I'm here dropping shit. I literally uploaded my logo on the front, and then the back, as you guys can see, like how I have my like social medias and stuff like that on there. Literally all I did was go on Google, I downloaded like transparent background Instagram, transparent background Twitter logo, transparent background Facebook, like so on and so forth, and I literally just downloaded them and uploaded them on Vistaprint. And I think I even did the Vistaprint thing on my, I think I did that on my thing. But as well as Vistaprint, I also used Canva. let me see if I can show you guys. Canva is another like app that I do use for like my business stuff. Like, let me know if you guys want a video of me like just all the apps that I use for like business and stuff like that, because I have quite a few for like different purposes and stuff. But this is this app, which is Canva. It's like this little blue app right here, and literally you can do everything on it. Like, you can create flyers, business cards, thank you cards, all that on Canva as well. And literally after you finish creating it on Canva, all you do is download it and you upload it on Vistaprint, and literally that's how it goes. Like, it's literally so easy. Like, you can decorate your card by yourself. Like, don't get me wrong, you can find someone to, you know, make them for you, but honestly, if you're starting off, why waste money on extra money? Because a lot of, like, you know, people that do make these things charge like up to like $150 now, which is mad crazy, just to make like logos and stuff. I mean, I get you got to make a living in, but like, damn, like, it got to be that much money. But yeah, so I would highly suggest you just make it by yourself. And there's like tons of logo making sites that literally all you have to do is just enter words, and then you just pick the design you want, and boom, you got a logo, which is mad crazy. Now, when it comes to my thank you card, the way that I came about my thank you card was I basically went on Pinterest and I searched up hair thank you cards or business thank you cards, and like, you know, one pops up. Now after it pops up, all I do is I went on Vistaprint to do this. Did I either went on Vistaprint or I went on Vistaprint or on Canva to create this first. If I did use Canva first, I'm sorry you guys, I'm all over the place, but after I, like, you know, created everything on Canva, all I did was save it and I uploaded it on Vistaprint, and then I used this size border just to put on here. Like, literally everything was mad easy. All you have to do is like find an inspo. Like, if you don't know how to create it, find an inspo online, and all you have to do is literally copy it to the way that you want. Like, I'm not saying go ahead and just copy a person's business thing exactly how it looks like, but you can always use it as a reference and stuff like that, just like an inspo to, you know, like get your brain started to see how you want yours to look like. Like, when I tell you, both of these were so mad easy to do and make, and it actually was pretty fun. Like, it's fun doing these things for your business. Like, it just gets you hyped. So I would highly suggest you just do it yourself, especially now since a lot of people are starting businesses and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure Vistaprint, like I said, still has discount codes and stuff like that. Don't quote me, because like I said, I haven't been on it for quite some time now, but literally that's just how I made my business cards and my thank you cards. They literally took less than a day, if not a few hours, honestly. Like, it literally don't take that much. And even when you're doing like just a quick little thing before I end the video, even when you are doing, you guys, it's a little bit bright, hold on. All right, even when you are doing the promotional flyers, honestly, all you have to do is use Canva, because Canva has, like, you know, flyers and stuff to create flyers. Like I said before, all you need to do is get a inspo picture, and literally you can recreate it on Canva. And if you aren't that, like, you know, techie with, you know, changing fonts and stuff like that, all you have to do is go on Fiverr, get the picture of the thing that you want, go on a logo creator. Like, you guys, Fiverr will be your best friend, and Canva. You go on there, you show them, oh, this is, I want my flyer to be something similar, and literally they will create it almost the same. But like I said, don't copy someone's stuff, just, you know, make it your own. And I think I did that before once, and that cost me, again, I think it was either $7 or $12, which was mad cheap. And it was a flyer that I was able to use and stuff like that and promote, which is mad cool. And they give you like options to have, like, you know, brighter, better quality and stuff like that, since you are reposting it on social media. But yeah, but that's kind of it. Like, literally, it really wasn't that hard for me to create it. That's all the apps that I use. All the apps that I use is Canva, Canva, Fiverr, and Vistaprint. Literally that's it to create my business cards and my thank you cards. And yeah, like I said, if you guys do want a separate video of me letting you guys know the different apps that I do use for, like, you know, running business and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video or find it helpful, please make sure you guys give it a big fat thumbs up, and just comment down below if it, have you guys used any of these applications before? Did it work for you? How much was Vistaprint for you to you know, get a certain amount of business cards or like thank you cards? And one more thing, I do know this lady, what's her name, Ebony, this YouTuber, her name, I think her name is Everything Ebony on YouTube, and she will literally have, I will link her down below if I do remember. She shows you like tricks, tips and tricks to use Vistaprint and basically make your shit cheaper, which is really cool. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can check out her channel as well. And yeah, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.